So when it comes to phone, options for customization is virtually endless. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make your phone turn from this to this. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is add widgets to your home screen. So to do that, you could either press and hold on the home screen or just like pinch with 2 fingers, similar to kind of how you navigate on the flex window on the Z Flip 5. Just kind of pinch. And then you're going to hit widgets, which is right down here. And then, so I'm going to clock. Where's the clock app? Oops, camera. So I'm going to add this widget. Shows different times in different countries. I'm going to delete this widget. I'll keep this one right there. And then the next thing I'm going to add is the battery widget, which is right at top. Well, after smart suggestions and recommended. And then I'm going to use this one, battery status circles, and I'm going to add it right in front or above the Google search bar. And then I'm going to add some more just so you don't have to watch. I'll just skip to the next part. Okay, so now that all the widgets are added in the way I want them, I'm going to add some apps. So again, you're just going to swipe up and then press and hold on whatever apps you want, and then you can just drop them anywhere on the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and place the apps that I want. Okay, so now that I added all the apps that I want to my home screen and some more widgets, the home screen's finally done. And then the next thing I'm going to show you how to do is change the wallpaper. So you're just going to hit wallpaper or wallpaper and style, change wallpaper, and then you could pick from any of the Galaxy themes that you can download, a wallpaper service, colors, graphical, any of your photos, or any of like the device's wallpapers. So I'm gonna take this one actually. So from pictures, I'm gonna select this one from wallpapers. I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to check out their app. Definitely recommend downloading it. So for the lock screen, you can press and hold, or not press and hold, just press on the time, and then you can edit the font of the clock or the time. So I'm probably going to do, I might leave it that way. And you can also pick how you want it to look. I'm just going to leave it like this, and you can adjust the size to however big or small you want. And you can add contact information in case your phone gets lost. Then you can flip to the home and then just kind of adjust the size of it or the position of it. And then it will sync with the lock screen. And you can also customize these buttons, which you cannot do on iPhone. And you can just pick it to launch whatever app by default. You don't need like a special third-party app to do that. So like I could have it launch Assistant or Google Maps or Settings, Smart Things. So I'm just going to hit done. And then it is applied to the lock screen. And so that's pretty much how you set up, or not set up, but customize a Galaxy S23 Ultra. And of course, this goes for any Samsung phone. This phone is running One UI 6. So the way it customized will vary if you're running older software, but not by much. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and checking out some of my other videos. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.